Omniville India Foundation. Mother Nature. Even when we give up, Mother Nature will not give up. Naturo meditation means to be in oneness with Mother Nature. Leave everything to Mother Nature and get naturally elevated. In rhythm with Mother Nature means hand in hand with God. Ayurveda is the healing touch of Mother Nature. Healing is all about doing our best and leaving the rest to Mother Nature. Naturo meditation means to simply allow the power of Mother Nature to work on our mind. Let your initiation into meditation be at the hands of Mother Nature. Mother Nature bestows its benevolence when we are without any hidden agenda. Mother Nature sees a leader in every human being. Mother Nature curtails our freedom only to a limited extent, and that too for our good. There is nothing more lovable than Mother Nature. Omniville India Foundation.